In this video, I'll show you how to join the Anime Guardians Discord server. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join the Server. Inside the invite link box, this is what you're going to type. Make sure you spell it exactly like that or it won't work, and then press Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Anime Guardians server. Press Accept Invite. That's going to load us into the server. First, there's going to be a server onboarding, and it's going to ask what notifications you want to receive. You can choose whatever you want, then press Finish, and we've now joined the server. So you might want to come to the verification channel in order to use the server unrestricted. Thank you for watching.